This plug-in SMS-RECEIVE detector combines carbon monoxide and natural gas monitoring with built-in temperature and humidity tracking, giving a broad picture of indoor safety conditions. The large, high-definition display is easy to read at a glance and allows you to check gas levels and room comfort without needing a separate app or device. Clear color-coded indicator lights and a loud alarm make it hard to miss when gas or carbon monoxide concentrations reach dangerous levels, even from another room. Because it plugs directly into a standard household power outlet and works across a wide voltage range, it is simple to install in different homes, apartments, or recreational vehicles. Its compact design and versatile placement options make it well suited for bedrooms, living rooms, and other frequently used spaces where early warning really matters. Adjustable screen brightness and the option to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit units help this detector fit comfortably into different lighting conditions and user preferences.